I'm right off the dome, like, man, lately I've been jerking off a lot. I've been beating a lot.
Don't start. Ask me how my day was.
Well, look, we hopping right into a nigga like me been beating. Go ahead.
Shit, nigga,
So,
like you
all
fucking
right. Go ahead. All right, 1, 2, 3, action.
Evan. Why the fuck did you want to load the ass?
You did, y'all was just gaily staring at each other.
Can I help you? So, forgot your hat. I'm Styles.
It's not, of course, we're not recording that part. Oh my god.
Just shut it.
Alright.
Hey.
Hold on, wait. Hold on. Chill. Alright. Hold on. I'm trying to think about somebody dying, bro. Alright, bro, I'm ready, bro. I'm sad, bro. This method of seriousness.
We gotta do bloopers.
Oh, shit. Are you ready?
Yeah. Right?
Wait, no. Fuck! Jordan, can you do something proper? Alright. My mom just died. It's not funny. Alright. This is last take, or everybody mom dying. And I'm not playing.
Whoa. Alright. Chill, for real. I love my mom.
Two.
Does she love me, bro?
2.
Alright.
3. Fuck, bro, you seen that?
You're recorded, bro. Oh my god.
Alright, y'all ready?
Yeah.
1, 2. Chill out, bro, get out. What the fuck?
God damn.
Go ahead, Desiree. 1, 2, action. Why did you push his head? Fuck. Alright. Another. Ivan.
I'm trying, bro.
These boots slippery as hell.